Asset-based finance, or ABF, is a large and fast-growing segment within the private credit universe. The strategy centers around investing in large and diversified portfolios of assets.
These pools of assets generally have some sort of recurring cash flow to them.
It could be the music you listen to, equipment leasing, trade receivables, and even aviation.
We estimate the market size at $5 trillion, probably on its way to $7 trillion over time. So I think we're seeing sustained growth here.
Asset-backed provides things that you might not get in an otherwise credit portfolio. You get diversification, you get the asset backing that comes with investing in the space, current cash flows, a different duration profile, and all these things come together for a privately sourced, privately structured type of investment. KKR has been at the forefront of asset-based finance from very early on.
In my mind, in private credit, size and scale matter. I think that's especially true in this space as well. We really started this in the beginning of 2016, and now we've ramped it up to roughly 50 individuals who are directly involved with the business, north of $40 billion of AUM.
We deliberately have approached the opportunity set with a multi-sector framework and with a truly global approach, and I think it's what defines us.
The fact that we can play up and down the capital structure is quite important.
We have a high-grade business that focuses more senior opportunities and something more opportunistic that focuses on the ownership of asset-based finance.
The vast majority of KKR's asset-based finance origination is proprietary. It takes the form of a handful of different origination channels. The first that I would point out would be some of the specialty finance companies that we have majority or minority equity ownerships in.
There was a serious housing shortage problem in Ireland in the post-GFC era. We partnered with the best-in-class management team to build a best-in-class home-building finance company.
When we started, we had a choice of what firm we would work with. It became very clear very quickly that KKR had a number of unique capabilities. It had its scale. It had the team who were pro-business and inquisitive and curious and wanting to expand the platform.
The unique thing about Activate is it gives us a proprietary and differentiated origination source to a risk-return profile of loans that we like.
We started Toorak with the idea it would be the Fannie or Freddie for business purpose mortgages. It's a space where there are opportunities for privately sourcing and privately originating assets. So what did KKR do? We went and we created a platform in that space.
The partnership with KKR has really enabled us to change from a very small company to an operating business that spans over 3 continents and is active in 2 different markets.
We continue to differentiate ourselves by finding new and distinct opportunities. There's a lot of headway for this market to continue to develop, and we want to be at the forefront of it. We want to continue to innovate.
We believe our early mover advantage, our incumbency, our current scaled presence, both from an AUM and team size perspective, positions us well to capture this growth.